What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and today we're going to be looking at the new trending apps on the Shopify App Store. I try to pick here more recent apps that you might have not have heard of and that are newer to the App Store, so I hope you enjoy the video here. If you're enjoying any of the content along the way, I would love it so much if you could hit that like and subscribe button below, as that really helps the channel out, as we're currently on the road to 3,000 subscribers now. Before I dive into it, I just want to thank our sponsor Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. It comes with a 15-day free trial. It's going to allow you to skip those spreadsheets and get back to growing your business with real-time calculations. There's a link in the description to access that free trial below. And now I'm going to show a quick video detailing their full feature set.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy-to-read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
So let's dive into our trending apps here. Let's take a look at our first one. That's going to be product questions and answers. This is going to allow you to display product questions and answers on a single page. This is going to be similar to what Amazon does on their pages, where customers can ask questions and then you can respond to it, other customers can respond to it. Then it's going to filter by that. So customers can see what's commonly asked, and there may be a question they have, and it's going to save you on customer support tickets and customers' times as well. So it allows you to really easily import question and answers. You can enable notifications on email. Only logged-in customers can ask questions. You can set that as a setting too. You can also add verified buyers as well. You can also have a customizable email response template and overall see the product questions and answers. And there is a free plan to this app as well. It allows for 25 question answers per month, unlimited reviews and ratings, and directly published questions and answers to the storefront. On the paid plan, it's only $2 a month here with a 40% discount for the first month. And overall, sitting at a 4.8 stars with 12 5-star ratings so far. Next, let's take a look at TLab AI Language Translate, which is going to allow you to translate your Shopify store into multiple languages. There are millions and millions of customers out there in different countries that you might not be targeting. So they might not be able to understand English, which many Shopify stores are in, or a different language, and they don't want to hit the right click and then translate to English button or translate to their own language, as that's going to take more time. So it's going to allow for manual and automatic translations available in 130 languages, so you can maximize your global scale. It also allows for multi-currency support, which is going to be tied into the language, for 160 plus currencies. As you can see here, you can translate your store into multiple languages. We have English, French, and Italian listed here. You can auto-translate your entire store in just one click, which is pretty amazing. And you can customize the language switcher so a customer can switch between languages, and you can offer a more engaging shopping experience. This is going to save you a lot of time than paying for a translator and having them translate each page one by one. Also, really trying to optimize for that many languages would be extremely difficult to do. It also allows you for SEO optimization, so you can advertise your pages in different languages, which I think is a huge one here for helping to generate organic traffic. So in terms of pricing, they have a free plan for unlimited manual translations and free 2,000 words for AI translations. And once you start on the paid plans, you get 25,000 words monthly for $9.99 a month, and at $29.99 a month, you get unlimited manual translations and 100,000 words monthly, which each word's additionally going to cost 0.029 cents on the most expensive plan. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with over 800 5-star reviews. Next, let's look at Instagram feed, Insta feed slide by Raptor. So it's going to allow you to show a layout of your Instagram account on your Shopify store, which is going to allow you to integrate your social media accounts, also adding to that user-generated content. As you can see, they have a lookbook, sliders, video, as well as a follow us on Instagram button. Overall, very easy to set up, as you're just going to simply log into your Instagram and then add that widget to your website. And it is completely free, so really no downsides if you want to try it out there apart from the time to set up. And setting at a 4.9 stars with over 375 star reviews. Next, let's take a look at Vimeo Create. So Vimeo is a huge video platforming site in itself. And so this app here that they created lets you easily create product videos, boost your sales, and create video ads with over 3,000 templates. So it makes it really easy to take your existing product photos and turn them into videos. As we all know at this point that videos are more engaging than photos, and ad platforms tend to really like video content as it's easier for them to push. It allows you to create social media posts, ads, and more. And you can access 30 million photos, songs, and videos to a pretty advanced editor here. And you can add your own personal branding and logo as well, which is a nice touch. You also going to get analytics. In terms of pricing, it's completely free as well, and sitting at a nice 4.9 stars with over 550 5-star reviews. Let's take a look at our last app here, and that's going to be Free Traffic Ads and Advertising by AdEagle. It's going to allow you to grow your sales for free from other shops and niche websites. So the way this is going to be completely free is that if you allow other sites to show ads on your site, you can show ads on their site. so you can display high converting ads. You can also upgrade to the paid plan where you don't have to show anyone else's products on your site. And so you can create campaigns, target customers by interest and location. You can also analyze the results of your campaigns to find the best products that are performing as well as their CTRs, and you can prioritize said campaigns. This is going to allow you to drive more high quality traffic to your store. And so on the free plan, you get the ad exchange with partner stores. So you're showing ads, they're showing ads. You can exclude unwanted categories, location-based interest, and unlimited products, and up to 3 campaigns. And on the paid plans, you're going to get differing amounts of impressions. So you can see on the $149 a month plan, you're getting 50,000 impressions, ads across YouTube videos, and access to trending and thematic websites, as well as mobile apps. So overall, great if you're starting out too, and you have a small product category, and if you don't mind showing other product stores, so you want to go in on the paid plan. Overall, it's sitting at a nice 4.7 stars with over 80 5-star reviews. So this concludes the video on trending apps for Shopify. Let me know in the comments what you thought of these apps and if any other apps you think should have been included. Again, if you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And lastly, I want to mention our sponsor Profit Calc, again, the one-click profit calculator app available on the Shopify App Store. It comes with a 15-day free trial, and there's a link in the description below to access that trial there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.